What are we doing?
Okay, so we are going to head outside of the RV to start our workout.
Workout for what?
Full body.
Full body. Have you seen how full this body is? Are you out of your mind?
Yes.
I think we're onto something good. I think we're onto something good. Don't let it get away. This could be everything. You know I gotta say, I think we're onto something.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We're introducing Miss DeeDee Morford. She's the one that's decided to take on the crazy idea of getting me in shape. So DeeDee, tell me something about yourself. What do you do? How do you do this?
I am a personal trainer. I've been a personal trainer for over 20 years. And I am excited to help you reach your health and fitness goals.
Mine?
Yes.
Do you know how much that's going to be?
Yes.
Are you sure you're up for the challenge?
Absolutely. It's
Oh my
not
God.
going to be hard at all. It just takes a little bit of dedication, and you have to have fun while you do all of this.
Wait, it takes what?
A
Dedication?
little bit of dedication.
What? I don't
yes,
know.
but we are going to make it fun along the way. And believe it or not, it does not take very long each day to make a difference. So we are going to start with some short videos, 2 minutes at a time here. We'll go through a number of exercises to start off with, and they will be on a low impact fitness level.
That's a good idea. So you said dedication. Hey, Mother Nature's talking to us. Yeah, we're in Montana. But you said dedication, and if we want to get other people healthy, wealthy, and wise, how much do they have to dedicate every day to get themselves healthy? So we have to work out every day. We know that we should. But are we talking 5 hours in the gym on a treadmill, lifting weights and everything else to get in shape?
Absolutely not. So the way that I design the workouts is we will do multi-functional workouts, working different body parts at the same time, and we can get it done in 30 minutes.
So a 30-minute dedication every day.
Yes.
And it's going to help me get healthy, wealthy, and wise.
Yes, but you need to keep in mind that I am a different sort of trainer, so I am only going to take about 10% of the credit for your success, and we're going to put 80% of that credit into nutrition. So you are going to learn to eat real food.
Wait a minute. No more donuts? No more sugar? I don't know if I can do this. But it's just 30 minutes a day, right, DeeDee?
Yes.
Just 30 minutes?
Yes.
Can I still have bacon?
Yes.
John shaking his head, yes. I like bacon. Bacon's good. Bacon can fix most things, like, I don't know, Brussels sprouts, green beans. So when we talk about nutrition, you're going to give us a nutrition program too. And those are going to be available on our page as a PDF below, right?
Yes.
So we'll be able to show people the great way to eat healthy.
Yes, we are going to have all different types of healthy recipes for you to do that are easy and quick. And I will explain what it means to eat clean and to eat real food.
Wait, that means I have to take more than a shower once a month? Is that the kind of clean she's talking about, John?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, just want to check, make sure.
Not at all. So I will teach you how to eat clean, and that will mean you will learn how to read labels. You will learn that the ingredient lists on our food that we are going to be choosing in the grocery store are going to be 6 ingredients or less on those labels.
What?
Yes, new concept.
So 6 ingredients. Is that going to cure this?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Do you guys know how much work she's got cut out for this?
Mm-hmm.
This is going to be...
Yes.
I'm so glad you decided to take this on.
Yeah, I know. Me too.
But I'm not sure that you're up for the task because this is going to be a lot. But we're going to be doing Zoom calls, and she's going to keep track of me. Mosquitoes, sorry. We're going to be doing Zoom calls. She's going to be tracking me, make sure I'm doing what I'm doing. And I guess we have to buy a scale, not one for the trailer itself, but one for me. So we'll have to figure that one out. But I guess I'll be weighing in.
Yes, but I do want everyone to keep in mind out there that I'm not a real fan of the scale. But yes, we do need the scale for accountability.
Wait. Not a fan of the scale. I'm so happy now.
Yes,
Good.
all of the clients love that. So yes, we do need to weigh in. But that's not our most important issue. We will be losing inches like crazy when we learn how to eat clean and to exercise the correct way.
So you guys have to go to our Amazon page versus Nuttin Gained. You guys are gonna have to go to our Amazon page and find scales. I have to find a scale that will allow us to weigh a beluga whale, so we can start that process, so we know how much weight we're gonna have to lose. But as always, DeeDee's going to have a bunch of stuff that we're going to be using along the way. And if you go to nuttinadventure.com and go to our shop page, you can find our Amazon link. And if you happen to shop for things there besides what we have there, it'll help us out down the road. So go ahead and do that. And DeeDee's going to have her own page, so we're going to be doing some of that for DeeDee too. All right, so now what?
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Okay, here we go.
So DeeDee, what are we doing now?
Marching in place.
I did that in the military. What am I supposed to do? Gotta get my knees up higher?
Yep.
Is that what you're gonna tell me?
High knees.
Okay. So,
Very good. We're
high
just getting
knees.
warmed up.
Do we have to tap them?
Nope.
Okay, I like that. What's the purpose of getting warmed up? How important is it to get warmed up?
It's important. It's very important to get warmed up. We want to have a nice warm up to just get our muscles warmed up. Our heart rate slowly will go up.
When
And
we're
let's
getting
do kicks.
older, like me, I don't know if I'm at kicks yet. I don't think I'm the Rockette kind of person. Oh wait, we could do like the Cupid Shuffle. Kick, and kick, and kick, kick. Yeah, there we go. I could do that.
Very good.
So,
Excellent.
what's an ideal heart rate? Because when I was in my 20s, an
Well,
ideal
it-
heart rate was, 120.
It varies with everybody. We would have to.
All right, you guys, do you see this? This is like doing work. And she's got all these steps. So what was that? You're stepping.
We're stepping back.
I don't know if I can do that. I'm gonna fall down. So one of the things that's important to know, though, as we get older, being able to work on our core and work on our cool feet actually gives us an advantage for making sure that we don't fall down. This is a chance to work on fall protection. She's killing me, dude.
Okay, so we're going to do stationary right here, and we're just going to do a squat right here.
This is early, so if I get down and I can't get up, just push the life alert button. Remember that thing? Help, I followed and I can't get up. Can I use my hands?
Yes.
Okay. That wasn't too bad.
That's good. One more. And you don't have to go very far down. You can just go a little ways down. Would be a lower impact version.
So
Feet-
we're going to start out with low
feet-
impact.
Feet are shoulder width apart, and your weight is in your heels.
Well, my weight's everywhere. I don't know that my weight's in my heels, but it's everywhere. Yeah, I can see why you warm up, because the knees are a little tight.
Yep.
Can feel the tendons.
Yep.
And we're at 6,600 feet, so I'm breathing like crazy. So just understand. How?
Yep.
Gotta walk that
And
out a
just
little bit.
walk it out.
Walk it out.
One thing to keep in mind as your trainer is that if you are still talking while you're working out, that is a very good sign. That is rate of perceived exertion, and it means you're doing fine. So as long as you're talking to us, we can keep going.
Rate of perceive. What? In through your nose.
No faking it
Out through your
now.
mouth. In through your nose. Out through your mouth, like walking on the trails up here in Yellowstone. Woo! Okay.
And now, ready? Step to the side.
She clapped. Do I have to clap?
Nope, no clapping. It's fun though.
Dude, this takes me back to my line dancing days.
Well, you do love karaoke.
I'm not supposed to tell them that. Now they're going to want me to sing.
Well, we might have to one of these
Break
times.
some microphones and stuff.
Yes, we might have to.
Woo, okay, so we're doing this side step. Ooh, look at that. Walking in rhythm. Oh, wait. Feel like Rocky
Okay.
Stallone.
Now, ready? We're going to squat, arms go up. So now we're going to start working the arms.
Are you seeing this? Really? She just keeps building and adding on to this.
So we're gonna take our
And I
weights.
got cans too?
This is from our RV, from our pantry in our RV.
Brown sugar hickory beans. I bet I don't get to eat those anymore, do
Nope,
you?
you can't eat either of those.
It's Progressive Light Soup.
Nope,
It's supposed to be really good for you.
nope.
Not sponsored by Progresso, just so you know. All right. So we're gonna do what?
We're gonna squat,
Squat.
and one arm goes up.
One arm.
Squat again,
Oh man, it's getting difficult.
other arm goes up.
Other arm goes up.
Again,
Squat. Both arms go up.
yes. So here we go.
Woo.
Ready? One first, one again, and then both. Awesome.
Do, 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 do. Where's Philadelphia? I need to go run the stairs. Okay.
Okay, Rocky.
I know, right?
Yes.
Sylvester Stallone, though. Whew. Aging's not doing well. But, 40 years of plastic surgery. Who knows?
Yes. Okay, here we go. Again, up,
Up,
squat,
down,
up, and
down, two,
both. And
down. One, down, two, down, both, down, one, down, both. Okay, hang on a second.
good. Take a break.
Gotta cover up the whale
Very
blubber. Phew.
Very good.
Hey, this is like a massage. If I can't eat them, I might as well figure out something else to do with them. Right?
Okay, now, ready for another move?
Aren't I moving right now, guys? It looks like I'm moving. I'm using cans and weights.
Okay, so here we go. This works coordination and core.
Wait,
arms and
hold
legs.
on.
All at the same time.
It works what? You said coordination. I can't. Well, I guess I can chew bubble gum and talk and walk at the same time, so
You're going
Maybe
to go
it's up.
back, and the weights are going to go there. Okay, ready?
really?
Here we go. Squat.
First foot move.
Yep.
Squat.
Good. Together. Other side.
See, coordination.
Yeah, it's hard. And now works your core.
Core. I told you, it's all fat. Hold it up. Come back. Behind. Down. Up. Down. John shaking his head. Yes, fat boys can do this. See how good she is? She's making me feel like she's doing it with me, and she could probably do these 100 times faster.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, we know you can. And so we're trying to do reps of like 10
Yes.
for each one of these?
Sure. Yep. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So our next move is going to be a lunge back as you lift forward.
A
Here we go.
lunge back, and I'm supposed to lift forward.
That's it. Good. Other leg.
Challenge. I don't think mine looks like hers does. Just saying.
It's all good. That's very good.
Hello, hip flexor. Yeah. That's why you warm up.
Yes.
Yeah, big thumb.
And just slowly walk it out.
You had a good home, but you left. I RV'd. You had a good home, but you're right. Oh, wait, what's that song? I forget. Can't breathe.
All right.
Food I'll never eat again. So, YouTube, there's going to be a whole series of these. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure that when we get DeeDee's channel up and running, you follow DeeDee, because she's going to work my butt. And you guys are... You guys are... Just come join the journey. We'll see you next video.
Alive and feeling dead.
picture of us here, it's just like a rearview mirror right